Hi, to use navigation controls on your Marshall Miner 4, as a first step, make sure that they are connected to the phone via Bluetooth and to this Marshall Bluetooth app. Now let's open this app, and here we can see our device. So now we will need to go in this touch control section, select it, and here we can check how to use navigation controls. So first of all, you can select either standard mode, mini, or turn everything off, so you can disable touch controls. In standard, we got single tap to play and pause songs, double tap to skip forward and answer and end calls, skip backward is triple tap, and custom actions is long press to reject call. Here we can also set custom actions, so for example, for left earbud we can select volume or something like equalizer. We can choose to do nothing, and also here select, if you choose a volume, you can select volume down or volume up. Now if you switch to this mini tab, you can see that it removed skip backwards and also go skip forward. So here we got only play and pause, custom actions, and answer and calls. And if you would like to disable everything, just select these off. Now let's just standard, and I'm gonna show you how to use navigation controls. Now let's open any music app. In my case, it would be Spotify, and I'm gonna take out of the case right earbud as well. So to play or pause songs, we would need to put in the ears each of the earbud, or you can use only left or only right earbud, and you would need to tap on its controller once, like that. By the way, controller is placed right here, indicated by the letter M. So once you put it in your ear, you'll hear a chime, and you will need to tap this M button so you could hear a click. And as you can see, we just put a sound on a play and pause it. Let's try this out one more time. I'm gonna tap on the controller and the sound is playing. Let's tap again, and now it paused. Now to switch to the next track, I'm gonna double press this controller on my left earbud. Let's try this out. 1, 2. And yep, we moved to the next track. To go back to the previous, we would need to triple tap. 1, 2, 3. And yep, it's working as well. Also, if you set custom actions as volume for your left and right earbuds, we can control volume with the help of them as well. For that, you will need to go back in this Marshall Bluetooth app, and here make sure that for the custom actions, you got left earbud for volume down and right earbud for volume up or reverse. Just select any option which is more comfortable for you. Now, let me put both my earbuds in my ears. And now to volume down, I would need to long hold left earbud like this, and you can see how the volume decreases. Let's increase volume by holding right earbud controller. And yep, you can see that the volume increases. Now let's talk about calls. So what to do in the case when someone is calling you and you are listening music and simply not ready for conversation. In that case, you can simply decline incoming call by pressing and holding the controller on any of the earbuds. Let me show you. I'm gonna long press the controller, and now we just declined this incoming call. Now, if you wanna accept incoming call, you would need to double press any of your earbuds on the controller, of course. Let's double tap. And yep, we just answered this incoming call. If you wanna end your conversation, you would need to double tap again. And now call is ended. So don't forget to download this Marshall Bluetooth app. Here check your touch control, and also you can update your earbuds here and set equalizer according to your preferences. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.